The 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. Its goal is to help you control symptoms and feelings of stress, anxiety, or worry by turning attention away from these thoughts, memories, or worries and refocusing on the present moment. This technique will purposefully take in the details of your surroundings by using each of your senses. Strive to notice small details that your mind would usually tune out, such as a distant sound or the texture of an ordinary object. Let's start by taking a breath. Now notice, what are 5 things that you can see? Look for the small details, such as the pattern of the ceiling, the way the light of the sun or your lamp reflects off of a surface, or find an object you have never noticed before. Now, what are 4 things you can feel? Notice the sensation of clothing on your body, the sun on your skin, or the feeling of a chair you are sitting in. You can also pick up an object and examine its weight, texture, or other physical qualities. What are 3 things that you can hear? Pay attention to the sounds your mind has tuned out, such as the ticking of a clock, the traffic outside, or the sound of wind, or a TV. Now, what are 2 things you can smell? Try to notice smells in the air around you, like an air freshener or freshly mowed grass. Or you can look around you for something that has a scent, such as a flower, an unlit candle, or the smell of your clothes. And lastly, what is 1 thing you can taste? Carry gum, candy, coffee, or a small snack for this step. Have a sip or pop one in your mouth and focus your attention closely on the flavors. And take a breath. Now notice your body and your mind. And notice what you have in your control. And thanking yourself for this moment you've given. Thank you.